Uploading your Flutter project on GitHub with the help of VS Code is very much easy. All you need to do is just go to the VS Code. Here you have to go to the command of git init, git add, and git commit m and initial commit. This is your message, it could be anything. This will initialize your git repository. Then you have to go to github.com, sign in with your account that you want to upload on. Now go to the repository, create a repository, name it any repository. Do not repeat the name, make it public or private, whether you want, it depends on your needs. After that, you can link the repository by this command on your VS Code, git remote add origin, then link of your GitHub profile and GitHub project. After that, you can git push your origin master or main branch, depends on your name and choices. So this is how you can upload your GitHub project of Flutter with the help of VS Code in just simple steps. Even if that not works, you can directly take your project files and upload it on GitHub via drag and drop.